Are you tired of red, irritated skin after waxing? What if there's a way to calm your skin faster? Today, we're focusing on hydrogel cooling masks. These masks may support quick recovery after your waxing session. Hair removal can leave the skin warm and sensitive. To figure out how to soothe your skin, we'll use thermal imaging and skin sensors. This allows us to observe how cooling technology interacts with stressed skin. First, we establish a baseline. Healthy skin typically sits around 33 to 34 degrees Celsius. After waxing, your skin temperature may rise due to irritation. This temperature increase triggers small blood vessels to expand. Though natural, this response can lead to redness. Next, we apply a hydrogel cooling mask. It's designed to absorb heat from the skin effectively. Almost immediately, the thermal camera shows gradual cooling. This controlled process helps avoid sudden temperature shocks to sensitive skin. Think of the gel like a sponge, drawing heat from the skin barrier. But there's more happening beneath the surface. We also measure microcirculation in the capillaries. These tiny vessels impact blood flow and redness levels. As cooling begins, capillaries narrow slightly. This process, called vasoconstriction, calms irritated tissues. Within minutes, circulation stabilizes. This stabilization often reduces redness and swelling. Another key to recovery is moisture retention. After waxing, the skin can lose hydration if stressed. We monitored skin recovery over 30 minutes. The hydrogel layer maintained a protective moisture seal. As moisture levels increased, skin temperature remained stable. After 30 minutes, we removed the mask to assess skin response. Sometimes treatments can trigger a rebound effect in circulation. But in this test, blood flow returned smoothly. So, do hydrogel masks truly benefit skin post-waxing? Data suggests they help regulate temperature, hydration, and circulation. Timing is also crucial. The best effects happen early, within the first 10 to 15 minutes. After that, temperature stabilization begins. Short, controlled cooling sessions seem most effective. Understanding these responses can improve your post-treatment skincare routine. As cooling technology advances, future tools may enhance this process even more. Stay tuned for our next analysis on advanced cryo skincare tools. Subscribe to MTH Health to delve deeper into the science of skin recovery.